Modeling curves using logarithms. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are functions? 2. How do we recognize a function? 3. What are the names of the variables in a function? Why are they called so? 4. What is the graph of a function? 5. What is the exponential function? How to find its components? 6. How do we plot the graph of an exponential function? 7. How do we plot the graph of logarithmic functions? 8. How do we find the original function when its graph is given? 9. What does modeling a curve mean? 10. Why is modeling a curve useful when studying exponential functions? 11. How do we make the curves modeling by using logarithms? Introduction. What do you need to know if you are given the x values of a mathematical relation and you are asked to find the corresponding y values? What kind of variables do the x values of a graph represent? What about the corresponding y values? What do exponents and logarithms have in common? Are you able to switch from one form to the other? What about the graphs of an exponential or logarithmic equation? Do you expect them to have straight lines as graphs? This tutorial will answer all the above questions and much more. This is a long tutorial with several lessons, so ensure you are confident in each lesson before proceeding with the next lesson, as all stages in this tutorial require a full understanding of the concepts explained in the previous ones. That is all for introduction to modeling curves using logarithms. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 13.3.1, a brief introduction to functions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.